Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Crafter CR35 Panel Van Commerce Plus finished in deep ocean blue. It is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine with 6-speed manual transmission. The Crafter is equipped with electrically adjustable and heated wing mirrors and automatic headlights, ensuring clear visibility in a variety of driving conditions. Front and rear parking sensors help to simplify manoeuvring in tight spaces. The load space can be accessed through the rear wing doors or side sliding door, and there are handles and steps to assist you, as well as reinforced lashing rings to keep cargo secure. Entering through the driver's side, you will find the controls for features such as the windows mirrors, lights and keyless start located conveniently. The business pack provides electronically controlled air conditioning to maintain a comfortable working environment throughout the day. Useful storage includes an overhead compartment to keep paperwork and personal items neatly organised. USB-C ports are positioned around the cab, including one at the top of the windscreen for a dash cam, and there is also a wireless device charging pad. The multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel gives the driver easy access to features such as cruise control, and also allows you to navigate through the digital cockpit, which displays vehicle and driving information in a modern, easy-to-read and customisable way. Technology and connectivity are well covered with DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Crafter CR35 Panel Van Commerce Plus that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.